We had been over someone else's house.
Whose house?
Another guy.
Name.
Oh,
It's not an answer.
it was. I'm the most careful driver anybody.
Oh, no,
can
you
ride
weren't.
with.
You weren't
Yes,
careful
I
that
am.
night.
I am too careful.
I read your answer. You were fighting with the other girl in the car.
I was, but she altercated the fight. She actually hit me and got out of the car.
Listen to me. You were.
I did not want to fight her in that car. I'm the most responsible driver you can have.
You're irresponsible. Let me tell you why you're irresponsible. Did you have insurance?
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
I had insurance.
No, you had no insurance. If you don't pay for your insurance, you had no insurance.
It just lapsed. It hadn't lapsed the whole month. It was 3 days. On the third day, that's when this occurred. It had lapsed for only 3 days. It was like a weekend and a Monday. I had no idea I was going to have all this going on. I didn't.
Let me ask you a question. When you woke up this morning to come to court, hold up your hand like this. Did you remember to put on all those rings? How many rings did you remember to put on?
It's just one.
It's just one ring?
Mm-hmm.
Did you remember to put it on this morning?
Did you know how?
Shh. Did you remember to put on all your jewelry?
Yes, I put it in my pocket.
Just a second. Did you put on all your jewelry? Did you put on your earrings? Did you put on your necklace? Put it all on?
Yes.
Did you put on your lipstick? Little lip gloss, little eye stuff? Do you remember to all that stuff? And coordinated? You're coordinated. You have nice shoes and nice dress. It's all coordinated.
Mm-hmm.
What you didn't do was pay car insurance. And I don't care whether it lapsed for 1 day or 3 days or 3 months. And you were around 2:30 in the morning and you got suing him for $5,000 for car damage in your countersuit.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it says.
Yes.
On a car that he paid $900 for 3 years ago.
I had no idea he paid that much for that car.
Well, why didn't you?
know.
Just a second. He's your brother.
Oh, brother.
Why didn't you ask him? And first of all, I don't believe that you did. Well, why did you want to explain to me why you're suing him? Say nothing.
It's nerf or nothing.
Why you're suing him for $5,000?
Because the car was worth more than that.
Duh.
He paid $900 for it. He obviously got it from somebody who just wanted to sell a car. And people do him like that.
And nothing, period.
I don't
Spent enough time with this nonsense. You want to tell me about
another chick or whatever, and they were
another female?
another female, and
I'm sorry.
It's what?
Flex and G riding.
Maybe it's just time for me to dig a hole, cover over the hole, put a plant over the hole. People just might. This word is something you also know.
I know the word, but I
That's
don't do
either
it.
a yes or a no.
Yes.
Yes. Do you know what that is, Mr. Cowan?
No,
How old are you?
37.
37. Oh, there's hope for me.
I'm 37. What? I'm 37. I'm not old.
It was your fault.
No.
Oh, yeah, it was. You weren't paying attention to where you were going. You were having a fight with somebody in the car.
I was paying attention to pictures. Sure, I was paying attention. I was actually
Pictures
trying
show
to
you.
leave the
I would
girl.
like to see pictures that show me you were paying attention.
I,
I would like to see pictures that show me you were paying attention.
here go the pictures of
Could
my
I see
car.
the pictures that show me? You should be so attentive to your insurance.
He hit my car.
Ah.
It was